My name's Adrian Sachayo,
My name is Vivek Anand.
and we are Pure Solutions, a company that is focused on developing comprehensive water testing solutions for both consumers and industrial applications.
Water contamination is a prevalent issue all across the United States, with millions of people being affected every single day. It can lead to serious health issues such as kidney problems, as well as some type of cancers, and so it's a very important issue that we try and solve. So this problem we decided to focus on because back in 2017, my family and I moved into a new house. And within a few months, we noticed that the water quality was a bit not to our standard, what we were used to. And then we had a professional water tester come in and he tested all our water. And he told us that it was the hardest water that he'd ever seen in his career. And that's when I was talking to Adrian and we realized that this is a problem that's probably widespread across the globe. And there isn't an easy and accessible solution for the current market. And so that's when we got started on trying to fix this problem.
With our approach to testing water, we are able to develop our own front end, which is, in our specific application, we call it a flexible front end. So we're able to test for a variety of metrics with the same device. So instead of having to buy, let's say, a single device with a limited scope, as we've seen on the market, we can have the single device and change out the different sensors that you're using. And in this way, users can select basically how much they want to test for. If we wanted to compete with the super expensive testers, we'd switch out the probes to be able to test at the same level as those. But if, let's say, we wanted to compete against the lower end testers, what we could do is we could switch out these probes for not as comprehensive probes that would be a lot cheaper for the consumer because they just don't need that level of detail.
We first heard about ASUio from Mr. Leahy. He messaged me on LinkedIn, told me about the competition, and then after I looked through the application process, it seemed like we would be a good fit for the competition.
I believe that these pitch competitions are valuable for starting out entrepreneurs because, especially with people in university, a lot of us don't have much capital to go off of. So if you're able to, one, be able to effectively communicate your idea to these competitions, you basically gain more experience and more understanding of your own company and of yourself in such an environment.
We've also found that it's been really helpful to connect with people at the competitions. We actually got connected to our manufacturer through one of the judges at a competition we attended a few months ago.
Yeah. And also with the prize money, it really helps with basically getting started because a lot of people don't have access to, a lot of money just laying around. So these are great opportunities for that.
The funding will be pretty split up. We'll take a good chunk for the manufacturing process as well as hiring an app developer to finish the app. And a good portion will also go towards legal fees and paying for our patent application and finalizing that process.
A lot of it is also engineering. We'd like to do a trial run with a local water company so we can actually get some real feedback of our device in the field to basically ensure that what we launch to the public market will be something that will not fail and is actually something that works 100%.